जिस दुनिया का मैं हिस्सा हूँ, लेपाक्षी हिस्सा है, मैं कभी नहीं गई, मेरी शादी नहीं हुई अभी तक, मैंने ऐसे अफेयर नहीं किए। तो कितनी ब्यूटीफुल चीज है कि मैं अपने एक सिंगल लाइफ लाइफ में इतने सारे स्टोरीज, कहानियां और किरदार निभाने का मुझे मौका मिलता है मेरे काम के जरिए, एंड आई रियली एंजॉय इट, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
I'm actually getting to live that dream every single day. I'm making movies, I'm producing movies. So I think the only emotion I have is gratitude. I remember this one incident in film school. किसी ने मुझे बोला था तुम कैसी फिल्में बनाना चाहोगे, और मुझे याद है मैंने कहा था कि मैं ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी जैसी फिल्में बनाना चाहूंगा.
देखिए, इंडिया में करोड़ों ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी में कम से कम एक बार दे वुड हैव इमेजिन कि काश यश चोपड़ा साहब ने मेरी लव स्टोरी लिखी होती. इस दौर में ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन, लेकिन इस दौर में कई लोग ये भी सोचते हैं कि यार काश शशांक खेतान ने मेरी लव स्टोरी लिखी होती, क्योंकि कुछ ऐसी लव स्टोरी तो बनाते हैं. And now he's out with Majnu. It's part of Ajib Dastan. It's an anthology of 4 short films, which is out on Netflix on the 16th. The director of Majnu, Shashank, and the female lead of the film, Fatima, is here. देखिए, जयदीप अहलावत unfortunately इस इंटरव्यू में नहीं है, लेकिन इस फिल्म में भी जयदीप की एक्टिंग में फातिमा काफी कुछ कर रही है, which you should discover when you watch it. Give out any spoilers, but Shashank, the first thing that intrigues me about any piece of content, चाहे वो फिल्म हो या वेब सीरीज हो, is the name. तो मैंने देखा मजनू, पहले स्लेट में आया मजनू, and I was like, यार मजनू नाम क्यों है? So how did you arrive at this name? I was also wondering if you were even for a second tempted to call your film Bablu Bhaiya Ki Dulhania.
Manish, first of all, thank you so much for such a lovely introduction. I don't know if I'm deserving of it yet, but I think आपने कहानी देखी है, so I think Majnu was a very natural title which came to me for the film because romance है, आशिकी है, और साथ ही साथ there is a lot of human emotions in the movie and conflicting human emotions. लोगों का एक दूसरे के प्रति जो attitude है वो completely conflict होते रहता है, and yet for me the underlying theme of the film was that it's a want for love. So I think just by that definition, जैसे हम मजनू के नाम यूज करते हैं, मजनू in a way is that आशिक जो कुर्बान हो गया है अपनी आशिकी में. So for me it was a very natural title and I was never tempted to call it Bablu Bhaiya Ki Dulhania.
Fatima, when I look back at your career, there is a glowing list of absolute superstars that you worked with since 1997. Chachi 420, Kamal Hassan, 2001, Shah Rukh Khan saab ke saath. Then you featured in a few daily soaps, followed by the big one, Bangal, and then Thugs with Mr. Bachchan and Amir Khan. And now you're on Netflix with Ajib Dastan. Now, what are the emotions that engulf you when you look back at the last 20 years? I'm sure there were innumerable auditions, the highs and the lows, and to see where you are now. एकदम डिटेल में आराम से खुल के बताओ, what are the circles of emotions in your head and heart when you look back?
I started when I was a child actor, तो मुझे चॉकलेट दे देते थे, बार्बी डॉल दे देते थे, and मैं खुशी खुशी बैठ जाती थी. मतलब मेरे लिए सेट तो प्लेग्राउंड था, because you were pampered as a child, you're pampered, people love you, whatever you do they like it. So it's you just have to be you, इतना complicated नहीं होता. But as you grow older, you get corrupted in, as an actor, because वो innocence कहीं ना कहीं चला जाता है. आप calculate करते हो, आप सोचते हो, आप सब सोचते हो कि ये ऐसे करेंगे, वैसे करेंगे, over complicate करेंगे. But actually जितना simple और जितना raw और जितना genuine हो, उतना ही सही होता है. You have to unlearn everything eventually as you grow older, because there's so much of information. Experiences are good because it helps you in your characters, but corrupting your emotions are not good. I have gone through the struggle नहीं बोलूंगी, experiences बोलूंगी, क्योंकि जो भी experience किया है, that has made me the person that I am today, and I think I'm a fairly decent person. And I am also very proud of myself कि I've reached here. बहुत लोग होते हैं जो और खराब स्थिति से आते हैं, स्ट्रगल करते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं, बहुत कम को वो चांस मिलता है. आई एम फॉर्चुनेट कि मुझे वो चांस मिला है, एंड आई एम हियर सिटिंग विथ यू एंड विथ शशांक एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट अ फिल्म which is amazing. I really enjoyed being a part of it. I love the character. It was a challenging role, but वही तो beauty है of being an actor that you get to explore so many different worlds. मैं तो वो शहर गई भी नहीं, जिस शहर की हम जिस दुनिया का मैं हिस्सा हूँ, लेपाक्षी हिस्सा है, मैं कभी नहीं गई. मेरी शादी नहीं हुई अभी तक, मैंने ऐसे अफेयर नहीं किए. तो कितनी ब्यूटीफुल चीज है कि मैं अपने एक सिंगल लाइफ लाइफ में इतने सारे स्टोरीज, कहानियां और किरदार निभाने का मुझे मौका मिलता है मेरे काम के जरिए. एंड आई रियली एंजॉय इट. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
Right. Shashank, let's go back to your days at Whistling Woods. मैंने कहीं पर पढ़ा कि as a student आपको आपके प्रोफेसर सेट्स पर लेके जाते थे फिल्मों के या शोज के. As a student, now from there to being an integral part of the Dharma family, producing and directing blockbusters, and now on Netflix, कभी सेंटी होते हो आप जब पीछे मुड़कर देखते हो?
I don't think I get sentimental, but I think gratitude is the one emotion which comes to me naturally. I think जब आप film school join करते हो, मुझे याद है जब film school में पहली बार आपसे पूछा था आप क्या करना चाहते हो, so you say really big things. You know, आप कहते हो कि मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं ऐसा सिनेमा क्रिएट करूं so that I get remembered and stuff like that, and you always say those things. And yet, so many years later, I mean, I graduated from film school in 2008. Abhi 13 saal baad, when I look back at the journey, I'm actually getting to live that dream every single day. I'm making movies, I'm producing movies. So I think the only emotion I have is gratitude. I remember this one incident in film school. किसी ने मुझे बोला था तुम कैसी फिल्में बनाना चाहोगे, और मुझे याद है मैंने कहा था कि मैं ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी जैसी फिल्में बनाना चाहूंगा, and I hope I get known for creating a certain kind of cinema. So today, in a very small way and in a very big way, when you have a Dulhania series which is attached to your name, you kind of feel that you are living your dream every day. It might not be the most iconic thing in the world right now, but you are still creating something. So I have only gratitude in my heart, and I feel very fortunate कि मेरे को इतनी opportunities मिली हैं, and I continue not to take it for granted. I continue to work as hard as I was working in film school, so that I can further my dream.
शशांक, लगे आज पूछ लेता हूँ. There's some unfinished business from your Whistling Woods days, which I think can come true with Netflix. Do you plan to make Sherwani Kahan Hai on Netflix?
I don't know, man.
Because बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता इसका context क्या है.
Yeah, so Sherwani Kahan Hai was a film which I wrote right after film school. I had assisted for about 6 months. Nobody was ready to back us, so I decided to produce that film on my own. And we friends got together. There was Naseeb Saab in it, Ratna Pathak ji in it. It was a cameo by them. We made the film. The whole industry saw it. A lot of them loved it, but yet it was never released. But a lot of it, because of that film, my journey got faster. उसके बाद मैं जब भी किसी के पास जाता था स्क्रिप्ट लेके, they said तूने क्या किया है? I said, this is a film of mine, why don't you watch it? And that's how my journey with Dharma was. So I don't know, maybe I'll rewrite that script again someday, and yeah, maybe with Netflix, let's do it.
Super. Fatima, I've met Jaideep Ahlawat only once in my life when I interviewed him for, I think it was Bard of Blood. He's like a gentle giant. He's got this towering personality. Now, juxtapose that physical figure, and then he's also this soft-spoken guy, and your dynamic in the film with him has a lot of conflict. Juxtapose all that and tell me about that first moment or the first scene you shot with him.
The first scene, have you seen the film?
Yes, of course.
So it is actually no. It is the first वही वाला था ना जो first हम
दरवाजे वाला.
हाँ, so it's a ऐसा स्टैंड ऑफिश सा सीन है, बट हम उससे पहले मिल चुके थे, हेलो हाय हो चुका था, सो समझ चुकी थी कि बहुत ही प्यारे स्वीट से बबलू सूट करता है उनकी पर्सनालिटी को, क्योंकि वो बहुत क्यूट है, एंड ही इज ह्यूज एंड ही इज डन अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट वर्क. सो थोड़ा स्ट्रेस होता है कि आप मतलब सामने वाले को डिसअपॉइंट ना करो. एज अ को-एक्टर एटलीस्ट यू शुड बी एबल टू हेल्प हिम. ऐसा ना हो कि वो सीन करने आ रहे हो और आप इतना गंदा कर लो कि आप उनका भी खराब कर दो. So वो stress था मुझे कि I hope I do not destroy his scene. But it was very easy to work with him. He's very kind and he's also very giving as a co-actor. Very helpful. So my experience with him has been quite amazing, honestly. उनका कल in fact फोन भी आया था पूछने के लिए कि कैसी तबीयत है, कोविड हुआ ये वो, तो हमारी बात होती रहती है. काफी sweet है.
The other thing that intrigues me about any film, Shashank, is casting कैसे होती है, डायरेक्टर कैसे सोचता है जब वो लिख रहा होता है. So tell me about that mental process of zeroing in on Fatima, Jaideep, and Arman Ralan, who's so different and he's so good in the film.
Right. I think for me, it was very important to cast people who were never seen in roles like this. You know, I had never met Fatima a lot before I met her for my movie. एक आध बार हम कभी कोई function या किधर अगर hi hello हुआ होगा तो we had never had a chat about work or cinema or any of that sort. So I remember when I met her for this short film, it was very important for me that in a way none of them have done the work which I was expecting of them. So when she came in, I just narrated the script to her. She reacted instinctively. She immediately agreed to do it. So for me, that became very exciting. And then through that journey, I wanted to, as a director, help her reach the place where she should be Lipakshi. For me, it was very important that she is not Fatima or she is none of the characters she has played before. Similarly, it became Bablu Bhaiya's character. Bablu Bhaiya's character is such a vulnerable character in spite of being so powerful that for me it was very important to take a man who kind of symbolizes machoism and then kind of take that man and make him vulnerable. So for me, Jaideep was just the perfect choice for that. I also know Jaideep for a few years. हम लोग बहुत टाइम से बात कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग साथ में कुछ करेंगे, and I think this just turned out to be the perfect venture. And then coming to Arman, I had really liked Arman the first time when I'd seen Befikre as well. I thought he was very good in that movie. Of course, since then he has done very little work, and he's been waiting himself to get the correct film. Since then, I've also known him. We play football together, and every time I've met him, he's always come across as a very innocent, very simple boy. He's generally a very nice guy. So when I kind of started auditioning for the film, and I was auditioning a lot of actors, they were very good actors. They were very actors who were not understanding the part, but I was only constantly searching for some innocence. When I saw his audition, I immediately felt that, I can work with this actor because what he's bringing to the table is the minute I'll see him entering the frame in the movie as Rajkumar Mishra, there'll be a certain innocence that he'll bring to the table. The rest of it is hard work, and he was very hardworking. He gave me a lot of time to ensure that he gets into the character. And I think as a director, that's all you can ask for.
Fatima, Lipakshi has this crazy mix of shades to her personality. She is lonely, she's craving for love, and she can also be this irresistible temptress. Can an actor make the mistake of over analyzing a character? Do you process roles very cerebrally? कि बैक स्टोरी सोचना कि बचपन कैसा होगा, और do you purely go by instinct?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं वो सब नहीं करती हूँ. मैं इतना नहीं सोचती हूँ. I like to work with my director. I ask my director a lot of questions. I constantly look for approval. Like 50 बार मैंने इनको पूछा होगा कि सही हुआ ना, ठीक तो है, ठीक तो लग रहा है ना, कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं. So I am that kind of an actor. I like rely a lot on my director. I need to trust my director. I need that support and that love from my director to perform a certain way. So because I don't know what my process of my work is, I'm still exploring. तो मेरे लिए बहुत important होता है, and it was a very layered character. Shashank has invested a lot of time and a lot of effort in that character. So for me to understand that, I needed Shashank's help because it's very away from me as Fatima. I am not that person. उसकी कोई भी quality मेरे में नहीं है. तो मुझे वहां तक पहुंचने में थोड़ा discomfort हुआ, but I was able to eventually because of Shashank. So it was great.
Shashank, I've seen many images of Yash Chopra Sahab and Shah Rukh Khan on set. वो scene करके दिखाते थे. Karan Johar भी वो करके दिखाते हैं. You've done a few small parts on camera. You've been in ABCD. I believe you did a film. बहुत साल पहले आपने एक छोटा सा part किया था किसी film में. Are you the kind of director जो scenes करके दिखाते हैं, or do you say, here's my script, follow this to the T and just fly?
So what I do is I like narrating the first draft of my film. तो उसमें क्या होता है, इनको सुर समझ में आ जाता है because a lot of what I write has a certain rhythm to it, whether it is the banter, whether it's the comic timing, whether it's the intensity. So एक बार मेरा narration खत्म हो गया, then I hand it over to them. And then what I do is, because I'm a trained actor and I've been trained by Nasir Saab, who is one of the best actors, he always kind of spoke about, तुम actor को acting करके मत दिखाओ, but you try and get them emotionally at that place. So what then I try and do is कि अगर Fatima, for example, has a question कि Lipakshi इस position में क्या करेगी, then I would kind of take her through the journey of Lipakshi's life to make her arrive there emotionally, rather than saying Lipakshi इस moment पे ये करेगी. For example, if she's seducing, अब वो ऐसा करेगी, मेरा काम वो नहीं है बोलना, because maybe Lipakshi वो नहीं करेगी. So then I would kind of tell her that, listen, Lipakshi would do this because the want of her character is this. So we would construct certain emotions and get her to that point emotionally where she instinctively feels the reason to maybe touch her hair or just speak to the character in a seductive way. So I think that is the method I have followed all my in all my films. That's thanks to my acting training. So I try my best not to act in front of my actors. There are sometimes actors have asked me कि ये तू करके दिखा दे. So I don't shy away from that either. But as far as I'm concerned, I will try and get them emotionally there.
Yeah,
Roorkee
and
bypass.
I
फिल्म का नाम मुझे याद आ गया. Sorry, go on.
Roorkee, yes. That was a
Yes,
short film in Visiting Woods, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ,
Go on,
sorry.
Fatah.
हमने एक short film पे I had acted in a short film called Roorkee Bypass.
Oh, अच्छा.
Yeah.
नहीं, मतलब इनका जो process है वो बहुत interesting है, because whenever I would get confused as to how to go about it, he would give me a proper backstory. If आपने मुझे पूछा था क्या मैं सोचती हूँ, but actually उनके दिमाग में हर चीज already constructed थी. So that used to help me bring a very instinctive reaction to a scene. And I am not trained as an actor. I have not gone through that process. So I rely a lot on my instinct. I rely a lot on my vulnerability of any emotion. So with me, that really helped a lot, and it helped me grow. So now I kind of apply that to my future work also.
Shashank, a final question. Is the approach or the craft or the prep any different for a full-length 2.5 hour feature film as compared to this short film?
Not for me. For me, the preparation was exactly the same. From my side, I was trying to give in as much, and even my expectation from all my technicians, whether it is my DOP, my production designer, or my actors, it was the same, that I'm going to be investing a lot of time and energy. You also please invest a lot of time and energy. So even when I was working with my DOP, for example, we tried to create a very unique look for the film. We didn't want to shoot the film very run of the mill because it was an interesting universe. So we spent a lot of time with my technicians, with my actors, ensuring that we create, because as I mentioned, I don't take any work for granted. For me, Netflix giving me this opportunity, Dharmatics or Karan Johar giving me an opportunity, for me, it's a big thing. For a boy coming from Nasik, getting to make anything in life is a big thing. So I never take it for granted. For me, the process always remains the same. I give it my all. And I also expect anyone who wants to be a part of the project to give it his all.
Wow. इस कहानी का नाम है मजनू. It's part of a film or an anthology called अजीब दास्तान. आ रही है 16 मार्च को नेटफ्लिक्स को. देख लो क्या करते हैं बबलू भैया, उनकी बीवी लिपाक्षी, और जो थर्ड व्हील है राज, वो क्या करने वाला है. Find out on the 16th March. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Manish. Please take care.
Thank you so much.